So lesson 1B, arcs and inscribed angles. Before we continue, let's first have a brief review about naming angles and their intercepted arcs. So here's the given circle. We have circle G. Name an angle and its intercepted arc. Say example, we have angle MGC. Angle MGC. Oh, not my... sorry for my sketch. Kunwari pa mo, no? Ang hirap. Say MGC. MGC. So, if you have angle MGC, the intercepted arc, yung natamaan niyang arc will be automatically its intercepted arc. So, that is arc MC. Okay? Say we have angle CGD. Angle CGD. Yung natamaan niyang arc is arc CD. So, automatically, if you have angle CGD, the intercepted arc of it is arc CD. Okay? Next, say we have angle CSD. If you have angle CSD, the intercepted arc of that angle is arc CD. So that is how you name an angle and its intercepted arc. So now let's start with inscribed angles. Inscribed angles is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle. Say, given the circle with points L, A, and P, we have chord LA and chord PA. They meet at point A. That means they form the vertex called inscribed angles. Bakit siya tinawag na inscribed angles? Kasi lahat ng points niya, say point L, point A, and point P, are all on the circle. And its side contains the chord of the circle. So this is inscribed angle LAP or inscribed angle PAL. Next, we also have inscribed angle CGM or inscribed angle MGC. So, basta kapag ang angle mo, yung tatlong points niya, ay nasa mismong circle, they are on the circle, automatically that is an inscribed angle. Let's have an example. Name all inscribed angles in the figure. Ay, sorry. Na-move siya. Okay. Let us all name all inscribed angles in the figure. Ang way dyan, para mas madali mong mahanap yung mga angles niyan, mag-focus ka muna sa isang vertex. Say, for example, sa L. Mag-focus ka muna sa L. Kung gagamit ka ng vertex L, ano yung side na merong point L? So, si CL at saka si AL. Okay? So, yun yung nabuo niyang angle. If you have vertex L, ang angle na nabuo nun ay inscribed angle CLA. Na-observe mo may natamaan pa ba siya? Wala na. So, next, punta ka naman dun sa vertex C. Kung ang vertex mo naman ay nasa C, kung C ito, ayan. So, hanap ka ng side na natamaan si C, ayun, at saka yun. Tama? So, yun yung E. So, meron kang angle LCE. Next, hanap ka pa. Asan pa yung side na meron ulit C? Ito. Si angle, ito, at saka yun. Tama? So, you have angle LCA. Meron pa ba? Meron pa. Katapos, ito naman. Itong may side dito, tsaka may side doon. So, that is angle E. Ito. Angle ECA. So, angle E. Ay, sorry. Na-move siya. Angle ECA. Okay? Next, punta ka naman dito sa vertex na ito. Vertex A. Vertex A, yung natamaan si A. So, ito at saka yun. So, C, angle C, AE. Ano pa? Ito at saka yun. angle LAE, tsaka, meron pa ba? Isa, dalawa, at itong CAE. LAE at saka si CAL. So, angle CAL. Nasaan si CAL? Ito. Itong chord CA at saka chord LA. Nagkita kay A. So, angle CAL is also an inscribed angle. Next, last ka na, vertex E. So, if you have vertex E, isa lang yung natamaan dyan. They have angle CAE. Mali. Vertex E pala tayo. Ano? So, angle CEA. Okay? So, that's how you name all inscribed angles in a given figure na kung saan napakadaming vertices. Okay? Next, intercepted arcs are arcs that lies in the interior of an inscribed angle and has endpoints on the angle. So, example, if we have inscribed angle LAP, ang kanyang intercepted arc, yung natamaan niyang arc, ito, which is arc LP or arc PL. Therefore, if you have inscribed angle LAP, the intercepted arc of angle LAP is arc LP. Next, if you have angle CGM, ang intercepted arc niya, yung natamaan niyang arc, ito, which is arc CM. So, therefore, if you have inscribed angle CGM, the intercepted arc of it is arc MC or arc CM. Kung ayaw mong isulat yung word na arc, rainbow sa taas, tapos CM. This one is read as arc CM. Okay? And it is an intercepted arc. Next, which inscribed angles intercept the following arcs? O, yung kanina natin. Say, start tayo dito. Itong angle na ito. Anong intercepted arc ng angle CLA? So, if you have angle CLA, ano ang kanyang intercepted arc? Ano yung arc na natamaan niya? Yun yung intercepted. So, ito at saka ito. So, ito natamaan yung arc. CA. Okay? So, intercepted arc, CA. Now, observe the pattern. Ano eh? Mamaya may pattern dyan. Next naman tayo. Say, ito. Angle ACL. Angle ACL. If you have angle ACL, ano ang intercepted arc niya? Ang intercepted arc niya ito. Mula dito hanggang doon. Remember, we have two kinds of intercepted arcs. Na our arcs, we have the minor and the major at saka, ay tatlo pala no. Minor, major, at saka semicircle. Pag nagpapangalan ka ng major at saka semicircle, dapat tatlong letters sila. Okay? So, ang intercepted arc nito, ito yung mas malaki. Tama? So, obviously, anong klaseng arc ito? LCA. Ito ang kanyang intercepted arc. So, that is intercepted arc LEA. And as you can observe, LEA, ano ba? Radius ba yun? Diameter, hindi. Hindi natin pwede sabihin. So, inscribe angle ACL as an intercepted arc LEA. Next, say ACE. Yan si ACE. Angle ACE. Anong natamaan niyang arc? Ito. So, intercepted arc, AE. Next. Nasaan pa yung isa? Tatlo ito, di ba? So, ito naman. Yung isa. Arc, angle LCA. Angle LCA. Ano yung natamaan niyang arc? Ito. So, arc LE. Ayan. So, that's how you identify an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. Now, theorems on inscribed angles. First one. If an angle is inscribed in a circle, then the measure of the angle equals 1/2 of the measure of its intercepted arc. Let's have an example. Say we have angle ACT or angle TCA. which measures, and the measurement of its arc, the degree measure of its arc is 120. Therefore, measurement of angle ACT is 60. Kasi sabi niya, ang sukat daw ng inscribed angle ay kalahati ng sukat ng intercepted arc niya. Okay? Okay, sa pang-example, say, if this is 100, say 100 ito, ilan yon? 50. Okay? So, kung ito ay 80, ito ay 40. So, that is theorem number 1. Number 2, the measure of the intercepted arc is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. Opposite lang siya nung theorem 1 natin. Say, if we have angle CGM, and angle CGM is 35 degrees, therefore, the measurement of CM is 35 times 2, which is 70. So, CM is 70. Okay? So, kung 40 si CGM, ito ay 80. Kung 100 ito ay 200. Kung ito ay 25, ito ay 50. So, yun ang ibig sabihin nung pangalawa natin. Okay? Next. If two inscribed angles of a circle or congruent circles intercept congruent arcs or the same arc, then the angles are congruent. Example, usually ganito ang itsura ng mga dun sa number 3. Usually, ganito ang pagkakasketch nila. Okay? Say, angle PIO and angle PLO intercept arc PO. If they intersect the same arcs, or should I say the same arc, then these angles are considered congruent. Okay? Next. Name another congruent angle. So, gamit din yung ganitong figure. Panabarin ko ito. Say, observe nyo, kung meron kang arc IL, asan dyan yung dalawang angle na in-intercept din niya si IL. Etong angle na ito, you have angle IOL and angle, ito, IPL. So, ibig sabihin, these two angles are also congruent. Okay? If that's the case, ito at saka yun ay pareho ang measurement. Okay, let's have an example. Say, for instance, you have angle PIO and angle PLO. They intercept angle, should I say, arc PO. So, ito yung intercepted arc nila. Since they have the same intercepted arc, ibig sabihin, if this is 55 degrees, automatically, this is also 55 degrees. Okay? Say, for instance, if this is 45 degrees, automatic yung sa taas, 45 degrees din. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng theorem number 3. Next. Say, in given naman, sabi niya, if there is a condition, say, for example, we have the given circle with two inscribed angles, angle SIM and angle PLE. According to the given, arc SM is congruent to arc PE. If they are congruent, then angle SIM is also congruent to angle ELP. So, ito at saka ito, pareho din ang sukat. Okay? Say, for instance, if this is 34 and SM is congruent to PE, therefore, angle ELP is also 34. Number 4, if an inscribed angle of a circle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. Okay? Say, for instance, meron tayong diameter na LE. Diameter siya kasi dumaan siya kay center O. Next, pag meron pang isang chord dyan, na kung saan yung isang side niya ay diameter ng circle, automatic, yung angle na na-form, ay na-triangle na na-form ay right angle. Okay? Klikan natin. Sabi niya, an inscribed angle of a circle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. Okay? So, ito ay right angle. Okay. Next. Isa pa. Tapos, mag-meet sila. Automatic angle S is a right angle. Okay. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angle are supplementary. Supplementary. Pag sinabi mo supplementary, pag inad mo sila, the sum will be 180. Say quadrilateral DREA is inscribed in circle M. Therefore, sabi niya, ito, tsaka ito, pag sila ay supplementary. Pag inad mo, dapat 180 sila. Ganon din yung dito. Ito, dalawa. Itong side na ito, itong angle na ito, tsaka yung angle dito, ay supplementary. Activity 5. Inscribe, intercept, then measure. You will be answering pages 167 to 168 of your book or your learner's module. Sasagutan nyo, activity 5, items 1 to 4. Okay? So, tignan natin yung page 167 to 168. Okay. Ito yun. Magsagot ako ng iilan, tapos kayo nang bahala. Ano? San ba? Yung number 1 tsaka number 2, madali na lang. Kayo na lang bahala doon. Ano eh? Doon tayo sa number 3. If, print screen natin. Magsagot ako ng ilan doon, tapos kayo nang bahala sa iba. Okay. Okay. So, ayan. Si LE daw, LE. Asan si LE? Ito. Pata natin kulay para makita. Si LE, ito, ay 124. Okay? Kung 124 si LE, tignan ko yung number 4. Okay. Kung 124 si LE, ilan si angle 1, si angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and so on. So, mag-start ka kay LE. Siya magiging clue mo. Okay? Kung si LE ay 124, asan dyan ang kanyang intercepted? Or should I say, ito ang intercepted arc, nasan yung kanyang inscribed angle? Ang inscribed angle ng LE ito. Okay? Now, as you can observe, N is the, yung kakalimutan nito, N is the center of the circle. So, ibig sabihin, si CE ay diameter. Okay? Next, si L muna tayo, si LCN. So, LCE, ilan ang sukat niya? Kung 124 yon, ilan ang sukat nito? Kasi intercepted arc niya si LE eh. So, that is 124. So, angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to 124. Bakit may 1 dot? 124 divided by 2. And 124 divided by 2 is equal to 62. Okay? So, si angle 2 ay 62 degrees. So, ito ay 62 degrees. Next. Now, remember that, tapos na tayo doon. Nalalagay natin ito. Ano na ma-exit. 124 ito. Next. Remember that point N is the center of the circle. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay diameter. Yung line, yan, ang gulo. So, yung line dito, diameter. Chord CEI, diameter. Okay? Kung diameter yan, ibig sabihin, itong angle na ito, at saka ito, automatic ay right. Okay? Si angle 2, 62 na. So, si angle 1 is equal to, ito right ito kasi dumaan siya doon. Okay? Naka-form siya sa, tawag doon, nakadaan siya dito sa ating diameter. So, angle 1 is equal to 90 degrees minus angle 2. Kasi angle 2, 62. So, 90 minus 62 is equal to 90 minus 62 is 28. So, 28 degrees ito. Okay? Next. Angle 3. Si angle 3 naman. Kaya na bang hanapin si angle 3? Hindi pa. So, hanap ko pa ng paraan. Okay? Next, if you will observe, dito, balik ka kay 24. Ito. Si arc LE ay 124, tama? At meron siya central angle na angle N. Okay? Kung central angle niya si angle N, ibig sabihin, pareho sila ng sukat. So, this is 124 degrees, si angle N. Tama? So, kung si angle N, if angle N is equal to 124, then, angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 124, or should I say angle N. Bakit naging ganon? Say ito, diameter ulit. So, ibig sabihin ito ay 180. Okay? So, 180 minus angle N. Angle N natin ay 124. So, 180 minus 124 is 56 degrees. Okay? Next, mahanap mo na si angle 3. So, ang angle 3 naman natin, tandaan nyo, ang interior na, ang sum ng interior angles, si angle 2, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, ang sum ng interior angles ng triangle ay 180 degrees. Okay? So, kung 180 yon, anong angle na tayo? Angle 4 is 56 degrees. So, angle 3 naman tayo. Letter D pala ito, letter D. Letter C, angle 3 is equal to 180 minus angle 2 plus angle 4. Okay? So, that is angle 3 is equal to 180 minus angle 2 natin ay 62 degrees plus 56 degrees. So, 62 plus 56 is equal to 118. 180 minus 118. 180 minus 118 is 62 degrees. Okay, so si angle 3 ay 62 degrees din. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito ay 62 degrees. So, you will continue E, F, G, H, and I. Pakisagutan na. Pakisagutan din yung number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Lahat yun sasagutan. So, that's it. Activity number 5. Answer it with complete solution.